Hello, everyone. This is Julie, and today I'm excited to share an incredible recipe for vegan sweet potato waffles. It's a delicious option for a healthy breakfast or a nutritious snack. And the best part? It's super fitness. Let's take a look at what you'll need. Come with me. We start with 2 cups of cooked and mashed sweet potato. A superfood that brings natural sweetness and health benefits. In a large bowl, mix this with a cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. Now, in another bowl, we combine 1½ cups of plant-based milk, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, a tablespoon of sugar, optional, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these liquid ingredients into the dry ones until you have a homogeneous batter. We're almost there. Preheat your waffle maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. Pour the batter into the hot machine and cook until these sweet potato waffles are golden and crispy. Serve these waffles with fresh fruit, maple syrup, or your favorite toppings. It's a burst of flavor and health. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and, of course, subscribe for more healthy recipes. Until next time.